Hey guys, in today's video, TruCUT RDWorks, we're going to be looking at the model menu or sub menu that's located underneath or within your main menu. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, back in the program here. Now, just a quick reminder for you guys, this is a mini series on the main menu, and also we will leave relevant links in the description so you can actually follow along. And also in this series, we kind of just covering all the sub menus located within the main menu, but it's just more of an overview. We're not going into depth yet on how to work all these tools, as that would make this mini series way too long. Otherwise, we go here to the top main menu here, and we can check or see that the model menu shortcut is M. So you can simply press Alt plus M and it will open up your model menu. Now this menu pretty much just has a list of different model of cutters. So you can if you know what your model is, you can come select it from under this list, or you can just go enable auto and it will automatically try to detect which cutter you have. But if it for some reason is not working correctly and you keep getting the wrong model, you can always then come to this menu, make sure you disable this by clicking on it. If we go again, you'll see it's no longer enabled, and then you can simply just choose the model that is correct for you. But I would recommend, if it does not give you problems, rather just keep enable auto on. But yeah, that is it on the sub model menu for your main menu. And if we had to head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and also you can isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the videos you're looking for, you can simply just go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we will try and make that video for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.